How to fix live access is needed to go live as a guest on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application, right? Now, first and foremost, let me just put it out there. You can only ask for an access to go live as a guest in TikTok if you already have 1,000 or 1,000 followers. Make sure of that. Now, if you do have that one and you can still ask for an access as a guest in TikTok Live, then what you can do is to go here to your profile. And then on the upper right, you'll see three dash lines there. Click on that and tap on settings and privacy. Now, under settings and privacy, scroll all the way down up until you see report a problem. Here you can put there, please help me. I can't go live as guest in TikTok even though I have over 1,000 followers. So tap on submit and wait for the TikTok community to get back to you and fix your problem. Now, if it still doesn't work that way, if you are permitted to go live and you have 1,000 followers, on the bottom part here, you will see three options here. You will see camera, templates, and live. You will have the live option there, and then if you click on that, it will actually look like this in the camera, right? And then all you have to do is to press on the start button there, and you will now officially start a live. And then you can go again here. What you can do here is to be able to go live. You can go here to your home page, and then on the left side you will see live here. Click on that and it will lead you to all the live TikTok videos here, as you can see. Now here you will see on the bottom part multi this this icon, this pink and blue icon. Now if you click on that, you are now going to request to join as a guest. And basically that is how you fix live access is needed to go live as a guest in TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.